All right, team. In this video, we're going to cover a couple topics here. What I want to go over right now is the daily opening and closing list. So this is for every associate, and every store is going to be unique, have a different layout, mostly all the same. But here we go. So the first thing you want to do is when you come in, you turn off the alarm. Each associate has their own unique code. Do not give out your code. So everything's verified by you and you only. All floors must be vacuumed at the opening of every day. Typically, what you want to do is do this at nighttime prior to leaving, and now you won't have to do it in the morning. However, throughout the day, you will do spot checks on the floor. If that needs to be vacuumed, we'll find some time and go ahead and knock that out. We want something presentable. Open safe and remove any materials needed to open, i.e. phones, money, and repair bins. So as soon as you come in, you open up the safe, you take out the money, and you go into the register. You do your counts, make sure everything's verified. Your phones, you're going to go ahead and put your phones out. We're going to wipe the displays down before we do put the phones up, and after that we will work on the repair bins. We're going to go ahead and take the repair bins and take them back to the repair stations in order. Again, here we say all phones must be wiped down with disinfectant spray prior to opening and closing the store. Be sure not to leave streaks on your screens. All windows must be wiped down daily and throughout the day. All your workstations, your customer area, anything that you use must be wiped down. It has to be presentable. You set out all the display phones in their respective place. Each phone should match its tag as well as the updated price. Now, what that means is we have to constantly be checking up for updated pricing. Usually that'll come out, in a group message, or we will send that information out so you can go ahead and change those prices. You also want to check the share drive for new or ending promotions. You want to remove the trash, debris from outside the store, cups, what have you, nasty customers that don't pick up after themselves. Put on some gloves, get a trash bag, and get to work. We also we don't use our bathroom for customers. However, we have to ensure that they're properly maintained, that they're clean. If you need anything, toilet paper, cleaning supplies, i.e. anything, get with one of your administrators and we'll go ahead and take care of you for that. Again, so this is one of the biggest pet peeves here is the trash. So it doesn't matter if it's one piece of trash or half a piece of trash. There's no exceptions to not taking out the trash when the trash bin is full. This will result in disciplinary actions, i.e. loss of job, loss of pay, loss of commission, or a temporary layoff. Now, associates must ensure that all tasks are complete prior to opening the business. So you never want to walk into the day being open and still have stuff to do. So you have to get here at a reasonable time in order to get all these things done. And again, just check your Google Docs for pricing daily. And team, it is go time.